Welcome back to my channel, Royalties. This is Yahweh Royalty. Alright, so I promised you guys a video today. No, it's not a monologue, but it is a get ready with me / makeup tutorial. So if you like what you see, stay tuned. Trust me, if I can do it, you can definitely do it. So first, get yourself a moisturizer. Doesn't even matter what kind of moisturizer it is. Honestly, I just use the vitamin E moisturizer. This is like the holy grail, courtesy of my mom. Yeah. Alright, next is a band-aid. Put a band-aid if you need it. For people like me that cannot draw a line, yes. Then you start concealing under your eyebrows. I prefer concealing with a lighter white-like concealer under. So that was a great base for eyeshadow colors to pop. And then you get something similar to your skin tone, as you can see, for the top. Alright, so then I like to use a concealer brush. I'm sorry, mascara brush. Obviously, I'm very new to this. Anyway, so you grab the concealer brush. Wow. Mascara brush, and you just brush your eyebrows, you know. Then you blend it out. After blending it out, you grab a white. You get you a white eyeshadow, and you just slap it on there, you know. Slap it on there so this color will pop. Now the color. Now I cheat. Yes, you heard me correctly. I don't have the energy or the time to come and be, you know, playing with eyeshadow powder and whatnot. So I use the liquid. That way, it kind of makes the job easier for me. The color's there. There's no question about it. The color's popping. All you now have to do is grab a brush. You know, one of those blending brushes. You know what it is. And you tap it onto powder. And you just blend. And you push up and you just kind of, how do you say it? You just blend it. That's what I'm trying to say. Don't just slap it on there and just leave it like that. No, blend it very well so it looks nice. It looks decent, so you're not looking like a masquerade, okay? Alright, we blend. Anyways, this is going to take a while, so just enjoy. Alright, so here you see me cutting the crease with a lighter colored concealer. Pretty much the same concealer you use under the eyebrows, so that way your eyeshadow color will pop. Yeah, that's pretty much it. royalties, thank you so much for tuning in. That's it for this tutorial. Please make sure to click subscribe if you haven't already, and comment below if you want to see me try out other tutorials as well, and if you have any suggestions. Also remember to click like if you do like this video, and also to encourage your girl. Also, lastly, make sure to tag me or hashtag Yahweh_royalty TV if you want to tag me in something or want me to see something that you would like me to try out. Alright, well, that's a wrap. Next Tuesday is going to be a monologue, so also stay tuned for that. Look out for that. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye.